paper here. I'm covering it up with my hand, and I can see where my hole is here. It's at least 1 inch away from the hole. I'm covering it up with my hand so I can see clearly where the hole is. And then it goes anywhere near that though. And if you think it's too sketchy, then don't use it. It's best to stand down here on the long end. You got more of a chance of staying on. And even then it's still not real good. But if you do it straight on, then it's just a little trick.
Yep.
Did you see my Velcro was actually stuck to my wrapper? So try to take care of that and then try to pull that down up and then the wrapper comes with it. That would be bad. So kind of smooth out your wrinkles. I'm going to get another pair of gloves. I am. Door would be shut, and I would shut it. I should have done that actually. Make note also the ways that we're standing and the space that we have. I'm not going to be here or here or any of that. And also, you know, make sure that your towel's not touching your clothes. get more efficient at the tomato stand, make sure you don't play with it too much. Shouldn't have any corners sticking out, but. See, I can realize I'm gonna do that. I can do anything in any order I want. There's a few guidelines that I'll use, but a lot of times I let whatever's going on, you know, whatever's on top kind of guide me as well. So. There. It passes. Both hands are doing something too, most of the time. Don't take all your instruments out of your pan one hand at a time. That takes too long. All right, I'm ready to count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Raytex. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 laps. Sharps, I have 1 blade, 1 high bow, 1 bogey tip, and scratch. And suture, I have 1. Instruments, I have 2 4 towel clips and 2 piers, 2 mosquitoes, 2 4 cryo, 2 Kelly, 2 4 Alice, 2 poker, 2 Babcock, 2 right angle, 2 accents, 2 4 sponge sticks, 1 2 needle drivers, 1 2 3 scissors, retractors, 1 2 Army Navy, 1 2 Richardson, 1 2 Army Navy, 1 2 Sins, and 1 wheat laner, suction, spool, 1 2 pieces, Fraser, 1 2 pieces, pickups, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 2 knife handles, and 1 medicine cup. what's behind you, and if they come in, you don't make them wait. See how we're staying away from the bed, and I've got to make sure I don't drag these towels over. If I'm in the weeds over here and I still got to do something and be ready, I could hand her all 4 of these, but I don't have anything to do. So it goes quicker if I just do 2 and she does 2.
Ooh.
Yeah, you're gonna lift this up and clamp. So you don't clamp the patient's skin.
I know, right?
The drape, the head goes with the head. Idiot proof again. So just look at it, make sure that you got it lined up the way that it should be. Doc places it. I keep my hands at table level. We cup our hands and go down. Look, that means we'll do this more later. But palm up between your fingers and then turn out. Now, when Michelle grabs this drape, look where she grabbed it. See where she grabbed it? If I'd have been doing this, I would have now had to deal with a glove change right when the surgeon's ready to start. That's why you have your hands completely cupped. Try to keep your hands table level. You don't want to be going down if you don't have to. And the table goes directly behind the nail. She's going to use the Bovie. She's the doctor. So I'm going to put this on her side. And we will go over this a million times to show you what it looks like right now. Oh, gee. Suction, I'm looking for it. I'm not going to throw your cord off until I know exactly where it is. I'm also going to make sure I keep enough. I don't throw it off, because if it went off, you know, I sit all my cord down there and then had to pull it back up. Obviously, it would be contaminated. Sorry. Can we do a timeout? Timeout is Joe Blow, blah, blah, blah. We all agree.